Hello everyone. So this is my next video, and here I'm going to tell you that how to install ESXi 6.5 in VMware workstation. And this is for like how why we will do this. That's the question. So maybe you will do it for testing purpose, and maybe testing something, and then you want to deploy that in your in the production. So let's do that. How to do it? So for that, what you need ISO of ESXi 6.5 that you can download from VMware site and in evolution version, and that will be like free for 60 days. So let me show you how to do that. So first you can just create new virtual machine, then you can take it typical, because if you select custom you must be knowing for some other extra settings, some advanced settings. Let's take it typical. Here you have to specify the ISO file, so just browse for it. I'll just take a look at where it is. So here I have okay, so detected ESXi 6.0. Next you can specify the path where you want to keep your installation. So let's just put that in D drive. Here VMs, under that you can specify the name of ESXi 6.5. Okay, select it, and you can select the name. It will be the display name. It will be like ESXi 6.5. Yeah, next, and 40 GB is enough, and it's a thin revision, so it will not take that space when you're working on it. So let's just put it bridging. When if you put it NAT, then it'll take the IP from the other network adapter that was installed when you install VMware Workstation. So I'm saying bridge, so in that ways it will take the IP from my router. So I'm saying yes. If you want to change the processor setting, fine. If you want to change the RAM, fine. But since it's a 6.5 and the minimum requirement is 4 GB, so that's why I selected 4 GB. So let's just do this, close and finish. Now here you go, it will automatically start. So let's just wait for power on the machine and initiate the boot process. So I'll just click enter, otherwise it will automatically boot that in 7 minutes. Now it is loading all those files which are required to initiate the installation process. It is same as the Windows operating system, because in every operating system when it's initiating the installation, it loads all those files which are required to initiate the process of installation. So ESXi 6.5 is good because it is giving you a lot of functions, because earlier in ESXi 5.5 you require the vSphere Windows client to manage it, but since 6.0 and 6.5 you don't need to have a vSphere Windows client to be installed. You can simply enter the IP address of your ESXi and you will be able to manage it. So that's the good part that we are having with ESXi 6.5. There are a lot of advancements that we have seen in ESX 6.5, that is increased memory size, that's the virtual machine supporting, increased data store size, increased number of processors you can assign to the virtual machine. You can change the processor setting and memory setting when the machine is running, the virtual machine is running, because earlier it was not allowed. You need to power down the virtual machine, then you can initiate the change. But yes, now it is there, so it's good. There are a lot of other advancements as well. So in ESXi 6.5, that I told you, the browsing, the access capability that you can do that. And now it is loading all those files, all those processes that we need to initiate the process. Let's see how much thing it is left. So it is left with NFS for one client loaded. Okay, so it's taking some time because I have also two virtual machines running. So that's taking too much time. Let's see. Now it started. It's ballooning and all. Here we started with. So here, welcome to VMware ESXi 6.510 installation. So submit only system to be used. Okay, fine. Let's just hit enter to continue. So accept F11. Now it's scanning all the available devices. So it will check that okay, how many hard disks you have. So you have one local hard disk of 40 gigs, remote none. So remote means any LUN which is associated with your server. If you want to install the operating on that, then that's something else that you have to do. So you have to select the word hard disk here. Since I have only one, so I don't have any other options. Hit enter to continue. Then default, basically keyboard layout which is US default, that's fine. Enter. Now specify the root password. Okay, should be matching. Hit enter to continue. Now scanning system where it is gathering additional system information and like what all hardware devices you have, and according to that now use press F11 to initiate the installation. So it has initiated the installation process. Once it will complete to the 100%, then you know, the installation is completed, then it will reboot the system, and after that you need to configure IP address if the DHCP is not available in your network. If it is available, then it will take the IP from DHCP and it will show you the IP address, whatever the IP address have been assigned to the ESXi, and then you can put that IP address in the ESX in the browser and you will be able to access that. So that's the installation part of the ESXi. That's not tough to install, and after this video I will bring the video of how to upgrade in ESXi 5.1 or 5.5 or any other earlier version to the latest one, or maybe ESXi 5.1 to 5.5 or 5.5 to 6.0, 6.0 to 6.5. Alright, okay, so it's taking time. Alright, so the installation is completed. So now hit enter. to reboot the ESXi. So it's going to reboot. Once it is rebooted, it will come up, then we will start the configuration of it. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I'll come with the next video, showing you how to configure the IP address and all those settings in that. Thank you for watching.